Hi all, how you doing? Hope you're doing great wherever you are in the world. So let's bring you the Bitcoin news this week. It's 12th of July 2024. So Bitcoin, as we can see, over the last 7 days has done pretty well. It's up 4.57%. Current market cap is 1.141 trillion. Um, Volume 25 billion. Circulating supply 19.7 million Bitcoin. And fear and greed is at 40, so just below, a bit below average. And let's have a look at some of the things which have been pushing the price down over the past week, although it's gone up last week, over the last week. But German government have been selling their Bitcoin, and now they're down to 222,000 million, okay, dollars worth of Bitcoin. And this was over 2 billion at one point, and it's gone down very quickly. You can see here by the chart here that it's dumped heavily. So they've sold off pretty much everything. And by the end of today, you expect that they'll nearly have next to nothing, okay? And maybe on Monday, they'll sell the rest of it if they don't get rid of it all today. So that'll be one good aspect for Bitcoin price, that they're not going to dump anymore, because they can't dump anymore once they've sold it all. Just another point, El Salvador, and I'll put this wallet address in the description and in the comments. El Salvador are buying 1 Bitcoin a day, and they have been doing since September 21, I think. So they're still buying 1 Bitcoin every single day. And if you have a look at the inflows here, you can see the inflows here. You can see value 1 Bitcoin, 1 Bitcoin, and some sort of transaction fees, I'm guessing that is. So you can see every single day they're buying a Bitcoin, and they're building up, and they're not selling. So if you have a look at the outflows, there is none. Okay. So it's all inflow. Okay. They don't sell their Bitcoin. They've got diamond hands. So that is El Salvador. Bitcoin is going to have a Donald Trump appear at Nashville. So Bitcoin conference in 2024 is between July 25th and 27th in 2024. And obviously Donald Trump wants to be there and get in front of the crowds, obviously. Now, however much he knows about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, who knows exactly, but he knows that this cryptocurrency is a big talking point. It's a big chance to get some voters in for his party and his election. So clearly he wants to appear there in front of lots of people. So that should be good for crypto. So other than that, it's been pretty quiet week. We still got Mt. Gox um, issuing out Bitcoin to all the people who lost it over like 10 years ago. So that could be a potential selling point for Bitcoin, for the price to potentially go down. But I think once we get through July, there's a good chance that we can have some more positive price action. Okay. Anyway, that's the Bitcoin news for July 12th, 2024. Let me know in the comments if you found that okay.